In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Brutalism poster design using Canva. This type of design is characterized by its bold, raw, and almost unfinished look, often featuring stark contrasts and geometric shapes. It's perfect for making a strong visual statement. Now let's get started and dive into the world of Brutalist design on Canva. First, you want to open your Canva dashboard. Once you're there, you'll see a familiar search bar at the top of the screen. Go ahead and click on that search bar. From here, type in Brutalism templates. Canva has a vast library of templates, and searching with specific keywords helps you narrow it down to designs that fit your needs. This not only saves time, but ensures that you're working with styles specifically tailored to the aesthetic you're aiming for. Once the search results populate, take a moment to browse through the various Brutalism templates available. You'll find an array of options, each exhibiting unique characteristics of this edgy design style. When you find a template that catches your eye and aligns with your creative vision, click on it. Now select Customize this template. This action will take you into Canva's editor, where the real fun begins. Now that you're in the customization phase, it's time to start editing the template from the text and photo elements. Begin by clicking on the text boxes within the template. You can modify the text to say whatever you need it to. Perhaps it's a catchy headline for an event, or maybe it's an artistic statement you want to showcase. Remember, Brutalism is bold and unapologetic, so feel free to use large fonts and striking contrasts. Canva offers a broad range of fonts. Choose one that enhances your message and complements the harsh lines and stark feel typical of Brutalism. Next, let's move on to the photos. If your template includes images that aren't quite right for your project, you can easily replace them. Click on the image you want to change and upload a new one from your device, or search Canva's extensive photo library for something that fits. Brutalist design often features bold images that carry weight and substance, so choose visuals that make an impact. As you're making these changes, feel free to experiment with different color schemes. The juxtaposition of unexpected colors can really elevate the raw, industrial feel of a Brutalism design. Don't hesitate to play around until you achieve a combination that excites you. Once you're satisfied with your design, it's time to wrap things up. Review your poster to ensure everything looks as you intended. Then, simply click to download or share your creation directly from Canva, and you're all set. And there you have it, a stunning Brutalism poster made in Canva. With these steps, you can create eye-catching designs that are sure to leave a bold impression. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!